Don Luke Electronics. The Alpha Geek, geeking out. If you go to bed at night without learning something new that day, your day is not complete. Luke Paquin, 1973. Project number 16, Sound, Bluetooth, Mk21. Bluetooth. Bluetooth is a short-range wireless technology standard that is used for exchanging data between fixed and mobile devices over short distances and building personal area networks. It employs UHF radio waves in the ISM bands, from 2.402 GHz to 2.48 GHz. It is mainly used as an alternative to wire connections, to exchange files between nearby portable devices, computer, and connect cell phones and music players with wireless headphones. In the most widely used mode, transmission power is limited to 2.5 milliwatts, giving it a very short range of up to 10 meters.
Here, Bluetooth. The Arduino was impressive, is good, but the pins now for this bad, but me check and 2 or 3 pins good, so battery here and thumbstick here, so is good. This ground here and power here, so this pins here, the analog here good, and is 2, and this button for like this and this vertical and this horizontal, and this the button for stop. This the Bluetooth is for keyboard, and here now the here this stay or stop here, this go to here the up the volume, and this go down, and this the music here, so this here another one or back another one, so it's simple. This project Arduino was expressive here, and Bluetooth. The project, the thumbstick and setup here. The pins here for here, this and this analog, and here digital here. So here and ground and power here. Thumbstick here, battery, and here the Visa here, and this the battery, thumbstick, and the here is simple. This here the version, and this here for keyboard for Bluetooth here, and here vertical, horizontal, and button here and the version, and this connect and thumbstick, and delay 1 second here. And that's it. This, the around here, media up here, and the down for here. And horizontal, this media previous track here, or this media next track here. And the button, the pause or play. So perfect. And button for play and stop, and the Bluetooth key here, and that's it. Now the pins for this, good, here, this, C, D, the classic, the music, and this, or back. Or that's good. And or stop. So this is good for the music now, and this perfect for pins here because it's good. So this now Bluetooth for me, the computer here. So perfect. Bye bye.
Don Luke Electronics. https://www.jlpconsultants.com/luc. JLP Consultants. Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram.